Hi everyone, thank you for watching my last video. Um, so today we're gonna talk about um, email, sign up forms. So on Klaviyo, they have a built-in sign up forms. You can, so they suggest these options for your sign up forms goals, but you can also create from scratch on your own. So like for example, like this is my website, and they're very amazing. um, the default, they match your website color, and honestly for me this works already. I like simple, and I just need your email if I have a new blog post, and if I wanna give discounts on my service. um, I just need their email, and this is a good simple text like get the latest news and deals in your inbox. And I like two colors theme like this, orange and white. So yeah, but you can change the color on here on the left uh, hand side feature tab. And you can change as you like. You also have the options. So there would be a fly out, there will be a pop-up. um, Flyout is getting more common. So whichever, they serve different user experience. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So let's explore other options. Um, so sign up forms, and create a sign up form, and then these are the options. So they have a lot of templates already, so you can kind of choose kind of the initial design, and you can edit the design, based on your website color theme. And you know they also have a birthday sign up, so customers can put their birthdays. These are really good email marketing tool. On their birthdays you can send coupons, so it's more personalized, so that's always good. um, you can also plug in this pop-up on any page on the website. So if but of course not too often, because that's gonna disrupt the user experience. um, but maybe or you can also kind of combine the pop-up and the flyout. So say like on the home page you create a pop-up, and then on a different page you create a flyout, so it's not too poppy. um, let's see. So that's sign up forms. Since it's a pretty simple feature, I'm gonna talk about profiles, listen segments are I mentioned it briefly. You basically collect, their emails, names, and then you create a list based on that. We can go deeper into segments on the next topic. But for today, I'm gonna keep it a light topic, simple features on Klaviyo. Um, so the next one is profiles. I like this feature because it gives me a lot of uh, insights of who my customers are. So we it's we know, from the very beginning, they engage on our website. You know, the first one is profile, updated, uh, created. Profile created. So we can create a profiles. From we import the email manually, or they subscribe to the form. But this is when the email is on our mailing list. Um, and then it gives us information of where they are, the time zone, on what list and segments they are. We can remove as well. And they also, based on the metrics, if they're place order, active on site, receive emails. So um, these are very powerful features. Um, we're gonna go into a more complex topic for the next video. Um, Analytics, integration, all the good stuff. So that's for today. Thank you for watching.